Did you know someone actually walked on the moon? Dun dun dun! Oh, hey guys, it's me, Enzo, and welcome to another episode of Launchpad Legends! Yay! Today we are learning about Neil Armstrong, the first person to walk on the moon. Before he became famous, he was a pilot who loved flying airplanes. Choo! He worked really hard and became an astronaut with NASA. In 1969, he went on a mission called Apollo 11. Their goal was to land on the moon for the very first time ever. Yay! After traveling through space, their spacecraft landed, and it was time to step outside. Neil Armstrong climbed down the ladder and became the first person to walk on the moon. He said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for faith of mankind." And did you know the footprints he left on the moon are still there today because there's no wind to blow them away? Neil Armstrong shows us big dreams, like going to space, can come true if you work hard and never give up. Who knows, maybe you could walk on the moon one day. Tell me in the comments, who should we learn about next? Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep exploring. Astro Enzo out. Whoosh!